How do we achieve such great results? Well, there are three requirements for good search engine optimization. One, follow Google's rules. Two, search engine optimize content. Or three, linking for popularity, which is also the most important. What do we mean by follow Google's rules? Google wants to optimize for their user experience. So when users are using their search engine, they want to make sure that they get the best results possible. An example of that being most searches today are done on mobile devices. So if the website does not load well on a mobile device, obviously that's bad for Google and they're going to penalize it. So we make sure all of the sites are optimized for mobile experience. Another example would be unique content. Google does not want a bunch of copied and pasted websites over and over again with the same stuff on them. That would not be good for the user experience. So we make sure that all our sites are hand built from scratch by us and our team. We have no duplication of code. Another example being fast load times. Users want websites that load quickly, obviously. So we use local servers and optimized coding to make sure that the sites load fast. Second one is keyword research and selection. So Google actually has a keyword planner, and you can look at what users are typing in when they're looking for various services and products. You can see here on the left some keywords that they've typed in, some phrases, so painting company, wall painting, bathtub paint, etc. And you can see the number of searches per month. So while we're building the website, we actually make sure to implement these keywords and phrases into the site so that when Google is scanning our site, it looks like you are the expert in those areas. Here's an example of a site that we've built for one of our painting clients. You can see it says painting a bunch of times. So when Google takes a look at our site, they're going to go, hey, these guys are experts at painting. I'm going to serve it up for anyone that's looking for painting in that area. So number three, linking for popularity. So what do we mean by that? Google needs to know that you're popular. If you take a look at this on the left, it's very similar to real life, where the popularity of a person is based on how many other people know about them. With websites, the popularity of a website is based on how many other websites know about that website. Google makes that determination based on links. So when other websites are linking to your website, Google views that as an endorsement that your website is credible and that it is popular and it should rank better. Now, this is a simplified example of it, but that's basically how it works. Also, the popularity of the sites that are pointing to your website is important. So the more popular those sites are, the more popular your site will be as well. We have thousands of sites that are ranking well on Google right now. We can use those links to help push and promote any site that we build, which is why we are so good at getting sites ranking well on Google and helping our clients generate hundreds of thousands of dollars of sales from the leads that come in through Google searches. If you're interested in having a discussion about your situation, seeing if we can assist, please feel free to fill out the contact form on our site, and we'd be more than happy to have a discussion with you.